Welcome! In front of me I have Huawei Watch 4 Active and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the screen brightness on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the crown button. After you wake up the screen, you can press the crown button again to open the menu. Now, scroll through the menu and find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, scroll through the menu and find the option called display and brightness. Once you find it, tap on it, and here we have the brightness option, but before we do, tap on brightness, find the automatic right under it and disable the automatic brightness. Once you disable automatic brightness, you can tap on the brightness option, and now we can adjust the screen brightness by swiping on the slider. So adjust the brightness to your liking, and once you're done, you can press the crown button. Oh, I forgot to mention, you can also use the crown button by rotating it to adjust the brightness. And once you're done adjusting the brightness, you can press the crown button or swipe right on the screen to go back. Okay, and that's how you adjust the screen brightness on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.